Good morning, everybody. I just started up the Jeep. Gonna meet up with G and Brendan. We're hitting up a tough trail today. I'm attempting this without lockers. This is probably a bad idea, so you know I'm wearing the safety second shirt. It's not an overnight trip or anything, so I'm gonna pack light, hit this trail. Let's go.
And Unwinding Road, that's Sean's buddy.
How's it going, guys? It's Teddy from Unwinding Roads.
Hey, how's it going, Daddy?
Pretty good. How you guys doing?
Oh, not bad. We're just going out to the newbie run. Sean's a buddy of ours.
He's a good guy, that guy. So guys, this is probably a great opportunity to tell you about Four-Wheel Drive Association of BC. I cannot say enough great things about these guys. So right now, there's a bunch of them heading over to a newbie run. If you're new to wheeling, or even if you're not, you just want to help out people that are new to wheeling, Four-Wheel Drive Association of BC is where to go. I'll leave the link in the description as usual. It's awesome seeing them on the road. So guys, I've hit the side trails. G and Brendan aren't far now, so can't wait to meet up with them and get this thing started. Always late, but never on time. G and Brendan were practicing their patience for me today.
Whoa! Who's this guy?
What's up, boys?
What's up?
I'm just talking smack about you, buddy.
So I'm sitting here complaining about lockers and this and that. Brendan shows up with his full-size rig, no lockers, just gonna send it.
Nothing but a good driver.
I don't have that, so I rely on lockers and stuff. Oh, peep this!
Yeah. Let's go.
The trail ahead was going to be pretty tough, and we wanted to test if the lack of lockers would be detrimental. Well guys, I was able to do that obstacle in my JK. It was a no-go on the Gladiator, but again, I'm without lockers. I think I would have been able to do it with the lockers. Oh well, on to the next, let's go. I really do think that with lockers, I would have made that.
Yeah. That's totally a given. If you had lockers, for sure you would have gotten it.
You know that means I gotta go back with lockers and try again.
For sure. I guess we're gonna be doing it again because our brother wants to do it again.
Well, I'll give you guys a call as soon as these lockers are fixed.
Copy that. I'm down.
Alright, we're at the trailhead. G's letting out a little bit more air for that little bit of extra traction, that little bit of extra confidence. But yeah, as you can see, this isn't gonna be a walk in the park. This isn't gonna be a drive to the mall, as us wheelers say.
Look at that tree, hey?
Did you see that new air down tool? It's called the Matabud.
The Matabud?
Yeah.
Why are you smiling? The Matabud.
Yeah.
I don't want to say it because I know it's gonna happen. He's smiling too much for it to be a real thing.
It's a real thing, man.
Hey, ask him. What? Ask him what it is.
I don't even know what's going on.
I got that new air down tool. It's called the Matabud. It's like it's you know, a little air down tool.
Oh my god. I know what you're gonna say. I think. I actually don't know. I'm kind of curious.
Ask it then, bro.
No, I don't want to.
Enough with the games. Time to take the 6-foot drop and hit the trail we came here for. You have to go passenger and get. The ground was very soft. It was starting to rain. G from BC, even with his lockers, struggled in the first portion of this trail. So I'm still at the trailhead, and these guys in their awesome built Toyotas showed up. They're having a little bit of trouble, which makes me realize I'm gonna have a lot of trouble. So I'm not gonna go for it this time. I'm gonna wait till I get my lockers fixed until it dries up a bit. And I'll give it my first attempt. So guys, I'm gonna call it for this video. It's pouring rain. It's over. G's the champ.
I'm not the champ.
G's the champ.
Yeah, at least I didn't get stuck. Yeah.
I got stuck, so I didn't win.
Yeah. I got hung up on the Matabud.
No matter what?
The Matabud.
What's the matter, bud?
Nothing's the matter. What's the matter with you?
I was waiting all day for that.
Be sure to check out G's and Brendan's version of this trip. And until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.